everyone, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful crop top. It is 1 year size. For this project I'm using 4 colors of Alice Diva yarn and 2.5mm crochet hook. So now we're going to start with granny squares. For that, make a slip knot first. And now work chain 4. Here we made our chain 4. Now make a slip stitch into the first chain and make a ring. From now on we're going to work into this ring. Now from here work chain 3 and this chain 3 counting as our first double crochet. Now work a double crochet into the same space and work another double crochet. So total we have 3 double crochets. Now work chain 2 and work 3 more double crochets into the same space. Again work chain 2 and work 3 more double crochets into the same space. Again work 2 chains and work 3 double crochets into the same space. Last work chain 2 and make a slip stitch into the third chain from that first chain 3. Okay, here we done our first row. This looks like a square now. Now from here work chain 4. Here the chain 3 counting as first double crochet and the chain 1 is for the space. Now we're going to work into the space, chain 2 space. Make 3 double crochets into the same space. Here we done 3 double crochets. Now from here work chain 2 and work 3 more double crochets into the same space. Okay, here we done our first corner. Now from here work chain 1 and work into the next chain 2 space. Here work 3 double crochets, chain 2 and 3 double crochets into the same space. So here we done the second corner. Now work chain 1 and work 3 double crochets into the next chain 2 space. Now work chain 2 and work more 3 double crochets into the same space. So here is the third corner. Now work chain 1 and work on the last chain 2 space here. Into that work 3 double crochets, chain 2 and work 2 double crochets. Now here work a slip stitch into the third chain from the first chain 4. So with that chain 3 we have total 3 double crochets. So here we done our second row. Now we're going to start the third row. For that I'm going to skip into this chain 1 space, make a slip stitch. Now from here work chain 3. This chain 3 counting as our first double crochet. Now work 2 double crochets into the same space. So total we have 3 double crochets. From here work chain 1 and work 3 double crochets into the first corner here. Now work 2 chains and work 3 double crochets into the same space. So here the first corner has done. Now work chain 1 and work into that chain 1 space. Work 3 double crochets into the same space. Okay, now from here work chain 1 and work 3 double crochets into the second corner. hence this is a corner, you have to work chain 2 and now again work 3 double crochets into the same space. So continue work like this till the end and let's meet at the end. So here I finished this row with a slip stitch. Now I want to make like this with 2 colors. So I'm going to switch into the next color. For that, work chain 1 and cut off the yarn. Now I'm taking light pink color yarn. You can take any color you want. So now work slip knot and grab the project. Insert the hook from this chain 2 space here. And grab the yarn and make a slip stitch. From here work chain 3, this chain 3 counting as our first double crochet, and work 2 double crochets into the same space. Since this is the first corner, you have to work chain 2 and work 3 more double crochets into the same space. Now work chain 1 and work 3 double crochets into that chain 1 space. Again work chain 1 and work 3 more double crochets into the next chain 1 space here. Okay, now work chain 1 and work 3 double crochets into the second corner. You know it's a corner, so we have to work 2 chains and work 3 double crochets into the same space. All you have to do is just continue like this till the end and continue work 1 more row like this, and let's meet at the end. After finish these 2 rows, we have to work another last row with white color yarn. This row also you have to do the same pattern. Okay, here we completed our first granny square, and now I'm going to show you how to join another square to this square. So here I made with different colors, and if you see I didn't finish the last row. So for that I'm going to taking white color yarn and work a slip knot first. Now grab the project and insert the hook from a corner like this. Now work chain 3, this chain 3 counting as a first double crochet. And now work 2 double crochets into the same space. Now from here work chain 1 and now grab the project. So now we're going to join into this corner. For that, drop the yarn from the hook and insert the hook from the front side and grab the yarn. Now here make 1 chain and work 3 more double crochets into this same space here. Okay, here we done our first joining. So this is how it looks like. Now we're going to join into this chain 1 space. So insert the hook from that space and grab the yarn and work chain 1. Now we're going to work 3 double crochets into that chain 1 space. Okay, here we done 3 double crochets. Now drop the yarn from the hook, insert the hook from that chain 1 space again and grab it. And now work chain 1 and work 3 more double crochets into the next chain 1 space. So now again drop the yarn from the hook and insert the hook from that chain 1 space and grab the yarn, and now you have to work chain 1. Now continue work 3 double crochets into the next chain 1 space here and continue till the corner. So here we reached to the corner. You have to work 3 double crochets into that corner and work chain 1. Now drop the hook from the yarn and insert the hook from the second corner from here and grab the yarn and make another chain. Now continue work 3 more double crochets into the same space. Now from here you have to work 1 chain and 3 double crochets into the next chain 1 space and continue till the end, same like this. And you have to work 2 chains into the corners. So you have to work 3 double crochets, chain 2 and 3 double crochets into the next 2 corners. So here I reached to the end of this row. Now last work chain 1 and make a slip stitch into the third chain from the first chain 3 like this. Now work chain 1 and cut off the yarn. So here we done our first granny square joining. So now you have to do is just join more granny squares all together, same like this pattern, till it fits the chest measurements. So here if you see I joined 10 granny squares in 2 rows like this. And I need to join 2 more granny squares to fit the measurements. So I'll show you how to join the side seam. So for this you have to do the same way that we joined before. And here you have to join all of the 4 corners. So here if you see I reached to the first corner here. Now I'm going to make chain 1 and join into this space. So for that drop the yarn from the hook. Now insert the hook from this chain space here and grab the yarn. And now work chain 1 and continue work 3 double crochets into the same space. From now on you have to do the same way that we did before. All you have to do is just continue till the end like this, and you have to join the next granny square like this same way, and let's meet at the end. So here we done our joining granny squares together. Now we're going to work into the frills. So to start the work frills, you have to do make chain 3 and this chain 3 counting as our first double crochet, and now we're going to work a double crochet into this next chain space. Now work another double crochet into the next chain space. Now into this corner I'm going to work into this place, so I'm going to work 2 double crochets. Now work 1 double crochet into this space here. Now continue work 1 double crochets into next 3 spaces, and after that you have to work 2 double crochet into the 4th one. Sorry everyone, I made a mistake on this video, but you have to make 1 double crochet in each 3 chain space and work 2 double crochet into the 4th one, and continue work this row like this, and the next row also the same way. So you have to do is just work the same pattern till you reach 4 rows, and let's meet at the end of 4th row. Okay, here we done our 4 rows. If you see here, I made 2 rows with white color yarn and the next 2 rows with pink color. You can adjust as you wish. Now we're going to work a border to the chest part. For that I'm taking white color yarn and make a slip knot. Now insert the hook from a space here. And now work a slip stitch. Now from here work chain 3. This chain 3 counting as our first double crochet. Now I'm gonna work into the next top of double crochet here. Work a double crochet. And work another double crochet, next top of double crochet, and work 1 more double crochet into the next top of double crochet. Now work 1 double crochet into this space, into this corner, and work another double crochet into the next space here. So you have to work 1 double crochet in each chain space. All you have to do is just continue working like this 2 more rows, and let's meet at the end. So here I done 3 rows. If you see here, I made 2 rows with white color yarn and the 3rd one with the pink color. Now this is how it looks like. Now in this place we're going to attach the straps. So for that, make chain 1 and cut off the yarn. To start the working on the straps, you have to insert the hook from this place here and grab the yarn and make a slip stitch. Now from here work 53 chains. So here I made 53 chains. Now I'm going to attach into the back side. So turn your project and insert the hook from the same way we started. In this place you have to work chain 1 and skip into the next chain space here. So drop the yarn from the hook and insert the hook from that top of double crochet and grab the yarn and make a slip stitch. So from now on you have to work double crochets on that chain spaces. So continue work double crochets till the end of this row, and you have to make same like this to the next straps also. So this is how it looks like after finish the straps, and also you can adjust the size as your requirement. So that's for today. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon with another video. Take care.